So we are going to dive into this beautiful, beautiful waffle stitch pattern. It works up absolutely beautiful. It is definitely a good stash buster. It is a yarn eater. That's why it is a good stash buster, but it's beautiful. Very stretchy, very fun to work with, and it is a 2-row repeat. So let's dive into it, guys. Right, let's dive into this beautiful waffle stitch pattern, guys. It's a fun pattern. All right, so this pattern is wonderful for stash busting, but just warn you, it is a yarn eater. That's why it is good for stash busting, guys. Stash busting is a necessity in the crocheting world, and it is a 2-row repeat. So you guys ready to dive in this? Okay, sorry, I had a cough. All right, so starting off with your chain, it is in multiples of 3. So you will just chain 3, 3, and 3 until you got what you want. So there's 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. So keep doing 3 until you get the length that you want. Okay. After you get the length that you want, now you just need to add 2, 1, and 2. Okay. So let me see. Third chain from the hook. We're done double crochet. So 1, 2, 3. We're done a double crochet, and I'm going to do the back horizontal bar to give it a nice bottom, and we're done a double crochet all the way across. So 1 double crochet, and each stitch you can use the back horizontal bar or you can use the chain. It is totally your call. So we're just double crocheting all the way over, and I will meet you back. All right, here's what it looks like. First row, double crochets, looks really nice. So now we're going to do a stacked single crochet for our edging, to keep our edging nice. We don't want those chain 3s. They're no fun, guys. So you take your hook, don't even chain 1. You go right into that stitch, pull up yarn, and do a single crochet. I'm sorry, I'm fighting something. After your single crochet, you have 2 bars, one right under the hook, and you have that second one. We're going to put our hook right in that second one. So you're going to take your hook, go right into that second, and bring up yarn, and proceed to do another single crochet. That is a stacked single crochet. That counts as your double crochet. All right. So after we do that, now the next post right here, not the very first one, the very next one, you're going to do a front post double crochet right there. But boom, beautiful. Okay. And now the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, next 2 stitches, do a regular double crochet on top of the stitch. Double crochet and double crochet. Okay, looks nice, don't it? Now again, front post double crochet. Okay, so we did that. Now the next one again is a front post double crochet. Then the next 2 stitches are standard double crochet. 1 and 2. The next stitch is front post double crochet, and the next 2 stitches, make sure you're only skipping that one, are regular post double crochets, regular top of the stitch double crochets. Okay, Again, front post. You wrap, you go around the entire post. Don't go into the stitches, right around. And then the next 2 stitches, you do a double crochet on top. So you don't just keep repeating this. All the way to the end, and I will meet you at the end. Okay.
Yes, I did.
Okay, to end this, you end with a front, your last 2 stitches, you end with a front post, double crochet, and you end with a very last stitch is a standard double crochet. This is row 1 of the 2 row repeat. So we're going to turn. And again, we're going to start with a stacked single crochet to count for our double crochet. So without chaining, you go right into that first stitch and do a single crochet. Then again, the 2 bars, you go into the bar to the left. So you take your hook, you go right in it and do a single crochet. Okay. Now, our first stitch here, do a standard double crochet. Now these next 2 stitches where they should be standing out to you, right here, you're going to wrap around them and you're going to do front post double crochets around them. 1 and 2. Then the next stitch that seems like it's farther away from you, you do a standard double crochet. And again, these posts that are closer to you, you wrap around them and you do a front post double crochet. The stitch that's farther away from you, you do a standard double crochet. And that is your pattern for this row. So it's this time it's 2 front post double crochet, and then it's a standard double crochet. So it's just reversed from row 1. So 2 front post, and a standard. Again, 2 front posts, and a standard. All right, I'll see you at the end. Okay, with this row, when you have 2 stitches left, you just do 2 standard double crochets. This is how this row ends. Okay, so then again, look how cool that looks, guys. So let's repeat the 2 row repeat one more time to make sure you guys are good, and then I'm gonna let you on your own. First stitch, we do our stack single crochet. Our first stitch, we do a front post double crochet. And then we do 2 standard double crochets. Again, front post, and then 2 standard. This is row 1 of the 2 row repeat. So one more time, it is a front post, then 2 standard. I'll meet you back. Okay, this row ends with a front post and a standard double crochet. So this is row 1 of the 2-row repeat. Let's do the second row. Looking beautiful. I love this stitch, guys. You do a stack single crochet in your first stitch. Okay. You do a regular double crochet, and then you do 2 front posts. 1 and 2. They are front post double crochet. Then you do a standard double crochet, and then again 2 front posts. And let me show you one more time, and then I will let you off, and I'll meet you at the end. And 2 front posts and a standard double crochet. Meet you back. Okay, so you end this one with 2 standard double crochets. Remember? So 1 and 2. Look at how beautiful this is, guys. Look at that. Gorgeous. Okay, so you just keep repeating rows 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 until you get to the length that you want. The only thing I'm going to let you guys know is when you do this, you really need to end on row 2. If you try to end on row 1, it's going to like curve in the blanket or the project that you're making. So make sure you end on row 2. All right, well, I am Ronnie with Whip and Chain. I work with Maggie to bring you these fun crochet tutorials. Until next time, it is always a work in progress. Have a wonderful, blessed day, guys. Stay safe in this world. Subscribe all our channels. Bye.